Hey, Syed here. I want to show you how can we take an existing ASP.NET project and create a project template out of that and then distribute that with SideWaffle. Here I've got a project that has the HTML5 boilerplate v4.3 contents here, and I'll show you how can we create a project template out of this. Okay, so the first thing I'll do is go to the File, Export Template menu option, and then go ahead and run through this. I'm going to create a project template here, fill in a couple fields. All right, go ahead and give it an icon. I use the same for my preview. Since I don't want to actually use this zip file in the future, I just uncheck that. Go ahead and click Finish here. This will create a zip file for me for my project template. The way that we want to distribute this is actually inside a Visual Studio extension, SideWaffle. So I'm not actually going to need this zip file, but I do need its contents. So I'll go ahead and extract it out to a folder. Now I need to go ahead and add this to the SideWaffle project. We've got SideWaffle loaded up here. Inside the template pack project, we've got item templates and then project templates. The way that we've got this set up is the first folder here under item templates or project templates represents the node where that template will show up in the add new project dialog or add new item dialog. In this case, since I want the HTML5 boilerplate to show up under web, go ahead and create a new folder here under web. And then I need to copy those files which I just extracted into that folder as well. So let me go ahead and open that up. All right, go to the HTML5 boilerplate files and just move these over. At that point, I'll go ahead and add the files to the project here in VS as well. And say include. When we exported the project in VS to a template, it generated one new artifact, which is this mytemplate.vs template file, and I'll show you how are we actually going to leverage that from SideWaffle. All right, so the files have been added to my project. Instead of leaving this mytemplate.vs template file here, we actually will go ahead and move this. SideWaffle has support for supporting both C# and VB. The way that we do that is we add a folder here called definitions, and then I'll simply move this mytemplate.vs template file into that folder. And then since I want this to show up for C#, I'll just call it C#.vs template. If I also wanted this template to show up for VB, you can create a file that's called vb.vs template here. All right, now we've done that, I'm going to go ahead and build this. And this will take a second. What it does is it'll go ahead and start looking through the item templates folder and project templates folder. All right, we've got some type of permission error here. Let me just go ahead and do a clean and then do a build again. All right, so now everything is building fine. So I'll go ahead and install the V6 here. So let me go into my bin folder. All right, so go to template pack and then go ahead and install it. For this demo, I'll just go ahead and install this into VS 2013 since I've already got it installed for 2012. Close. I'll go ahead and open up Visual Studio 2013 here. And then now I can say new project, and hopefully we'll see the project show up under the SideWaffle node here. All right, HTML5 boilerplate v4.3. If we wanted that to show up in the web node, we could have set a property in the VS template file for it to roll up. So now I've got my HTML5 boilerplate project. I can go ahead and Control F5. And now we can see that everything's up and running. All right, cool, great. Thanks for watching this video. If you've got any feedback on how we can make creating project templates and item templates better inside Visual Studio with SideWaffle, please do let me know.